Isang makulay na araw sa inyong lahat, mga taga-YouTube at mga taga-Facebook. Ngayong araw na to, gusto kong ibahagi sa inyo itong isang napakagandang program, software, no, na aking natuklasan. Actually, matagal ko nang hinahanap to, mga 3 years ago na. So, at long last, nakita ko rin siya. Ngayong umaga, i-share ko sa inyo paano ginagawa o paano magkaroon ng robotics na tunog. So, ito yung tunog na hinahanap ko matagal na. Ang tawag dito ngayon ay T-Pain effect. Napakadami na pong singers, artists ang gumagamit nito, no? So, example na lang dyan si Akon, no? So, punta natin ang aking munting studio. So, buksan ko tong Sonar Home Studio. And, so, para maintindihan nyo ng maayos, ipaparinig ko sa inyo yung paparinig ko sa inyo yung sample ng may T-Pain effect. Saglit lang. Ayaw yata. Okay.
Told you lady that I'm gonna love you so right. Let me touch that body in the places that nobody's ever touched before. Let me just love you right. Let me show you what I feel. You're my one and only lady, and that's why I love it so real.
So, isa yan sa may T-Pain effect kung tawagin. Yung parang robotics, may parang robot effect na gano'n. Dito ko ginagawa ang recording ko. Dito ko ine-edit yung mga songs ko, mga nire-record ko mga kanta sa Sonar Home Studio. Dati ang gamit ko, Music Creator. Pero natuklasan ko mas maganda pala tong Sonar Home Studio. Marami siyang effect. Meron siyang, pwede kang gumawa dito ng backup singers na sa pamamagitan ng boses mo lang. Hindi ka nakakanta uli. May bubuksan ka lang dito sa part na to. Itong mga presets na to. Hindi pala yan. No? So, nandito. Ayan. Vocals. Sa vocals, pag vocal harmony, automatic yun, magkakaroon ka na ng mga backup singers dyan. So, ito yung kagandahan ng Sonar. At pwede rin ditong pag hindi ka nakasampa sa pitch, pwede natin itaas ang pitch na para maabot mo yung hindi mo naabot ng mga pitch, mga alanganin. Okay. So, itinay ko sa sarili ko yung bagong tunog na natuklasan ko, yung T-Pain effect nga, no? So, tingnan natin. Ito yung double click ko lang to, ha. So, ito yung may T-Pain effect. Actually, na-edit ko na to. Pakinggan lang natin. It's been a long and winding journey, but I'm finally here tonight. I'm picking up the pieces and walking back into the lights, into the sunset of the glory, when my heart in future lies. Ayan, yung part na yun, no? So, yun yung may T-Pain effect. Actually, kanina, ayan. My heart in future lies. Ayan, parang robotics. So, pwede ko siyang ibalik sa normal. No? Sa pamamagitan ng double click lang yan. So, dito muna ako sa edit pitch. Then, pitch modulation. Okay. Ito, naka-straight line siya. Lakihan natin para makita nyo. Ayan, naka-straight line, di ba? Lakihan ko ng konti. Ayan. So, ito naka-straight line yan. Ibig sabihin yan, ano na siya, may T-pain na. So, kung itong original na tunog yan, i-restore natin yan. Double click natin. Yan ang original na tunog niya, no? So, kung pakinggan natin yan. Shall eyes, there's nothing. Yun yung original na tunog. Kung i-T-pain naman natin yan. Okay, pakinggan natin.
It's been a long and winding journey, but I'm finally here tonight. I'm picking up the pieces and walking back into the lights, into the sunset of the glory. When my heart is visualized, there's nothing like that feeling when I look into your eyes. My dreams came true when I found you. I found you, my miracle. If you could see what I see, you're the answers to my prayer. And if you could feel the tenderness I feel, you would know, would be clear, that angels brought me here. Standing here before you, feels like I've been born again. Every breath is your love, every heartbeat speaks your name. My dreams came true right here in front of you, my miracle. If you could see what I see, you're the answers to my prayer. And if you could feel the tenderness I feel, you would know, it would be clear, that angels brought me here, brought me here to be with you. I'll be forever grateful, oh, forever faithful. My dreams came true when I found you, my miracle. If you could see what I see, you're the answers to my prayer. And if you could feel the tenderness I feel, you would know, it would be clear, that angels brought me here. Yes, they brought me here. And if you could feel the tenderness I feel, you would know, it would be clear, that angels brought me here.
Ayan, so, thank you so much for watching, and God bless.